Hadi and Michael, your situation is you are DHL, you are the air imports team members. Customer had booked an air import shipment which was supposed to arrive on 25th August, which was coming from Hong Kong to Chennai, but the shipment has landed on 27th August. So now you're going to meet the customer and you have to convince the customer, apologize, convince, all that stuff. So you two are going to have a mock discussion session. Is that okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You guys are going to discuss how are you going to tackle the customer. That's the discussion, right?
Ma'am, 1 minute. We have to discuss how we are tackling. That's all.
That's all.
Yeah.
Or are we actually telling it to the customer?
No. நீங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண போறீங்க இந்த சிச்சுவேஷனுக்கு நம்ம கஸ்டமர் எப்படி மீட் பண்ணி டாக்கிள் பண்ண போறோம் அப்படின்னு.
We discussed it like how we
you do the thing whatever you guys discuss. You guys must have shared some points. Yeah, and the demo da inga kaata poringa. That is it. Okay, so Michael and Hadi, ready?
Start. So this discussion is just between us, right? Not with the customer.
Not with the customer.
As usual.
நீங்க வந்து உங்க டீம்ல எப்பவுமே ஒரு சிச்சுவேஷன் வரும்போது நம்ம டீம்ல டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணுவோம் இல்லையா? Hey, listen, this has happened. Shipment late arrive ஆச்சு. இது பண்ணனும், அது பண்ணனும். Customer எப்படி கன்வின்ஸ் பண்ண போறோம்? So you guys have a discussion, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is that demo.
Ma'am, who's the timer, ma'am?
I am the timer. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
அப்புறம் டைமர் சொல்லிட்டு everybody will watch the time. யாருமே கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ண மாட்டீங்க பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ்ல. So I will be the timer. Okay, I'll do checking also. Ready? If I had one egg, it would be coming flying now to your end, Mr. Fires.
Ma'am, you know it's very tough for me and Sachin, ma'am. No, ma'am. See, எனக்கு ஹிந்தி தெரியாது, சச்சினுக்கு தமிழ் தெரியாது, எங்க ரெண்டு பேருக்கும் இங்கிலீஷ் தெரியாது. நாங்க எப்படி பண்ணிருப்போம்னு நீங்க கொஞ்சம்
He actually speaks really well.
Good. See, this is the exact situation you will face tomorrow in the office.
Yeah,
your counterpart will not understand English. Chinese counterpart, you will not understand Chinese, but you two will be coordinating Hong Kong to Chennai shipment. What a classic live demo. Idu vida better situation eppadi irukka mudiyum ena nenikiringa Fires ji. Okay, time out. We are starting now. Hadi and Michael on the count of 3 2 1. 3 minutes irukku, 2 minutes 40 second la thumbs up kaatuva, which is this. Okay, buzzer ready, go.
Yes, Mr. Abdul, we have an issue here. Yes. The shipment from Hong Kong to Chennai, which was supposed to reach us on 25th, has actually delayed by 2 days. And we have been tasked to actually apologize to the customer and sort things out. So what do you propose? Like, how do we go about it?
First, we regret to receive such a complaint from the customer. We have to apologize to the customer for this thing, for late shipment. Then we tell about the reason why the shipment is late.
You know the reason, right?
Yeah, right. I know.
Yeah. Why was it delayed?
Due to some bad weather, we can't able to take off the flight. So there is a more pending in import customs office, so it will take 2 days to delivery. Yeah.
Okay, but even though it was something which we couldn't control, but we still are liable. So maybe as compensation, just to not lose this customer, because he's a regular customer for us, he's a valued customer. So we'll maybe discount a percentage in the invoice so that he doesn't get too angry and maybe forgives us. So what do you think? Is this fine?
30 seconds.
And also we give some more special offer to customer for next shipment.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Thank you for that input. Yeah. We'll make sure that we convince him by saying this doesn't happen again. Okay. When do we call the customer directly?
Yes.
When will you be free as well, so that we can plan?
I'm always free. We call tomorrow customer.
Okay. Yeah, we'll have a Zoom meet or something.
Yeah. Okay. We have well reputed name, so we apologize. These things so never happen again.
Yes.
We have to apologize. Yeah.
Last 30 seconds.
we have to actually make sure we continue this business relationship because he does give us a lot of business. So hopefully we continue our good service and let him not leave for another competitor.
Yeah, right.
Ma'am, we are done.
Yes,
Good.
ma'am.
Good,
Thank you.
good. Thank you. Good show, guys. Good show. Guys, what did you like about their discussion? What are the key points? Anybody? Any 2 key points? Quickly. What went well? Yes?
They should not lose their customers, ma'am.
They should not lose their customers. Yes, they said that they should not lose their customers. Absolutely great point. Then?
Ma'am, their cargo has been delayed. And they were suggesting what all ways they can improve it.
Absolutely. Cargo was delayed. They were suggesting the ways that they can actually improve on their service levels. That's great. Yes. Somebody else was speaking something? Anybody else saying something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Vaidi.
Calm and patience, ma'am.
Calm and patiently. That's the first lesson. Always deal with customer issues with calmness and as patiently as possible. Customer will call and scream. Okay. நீங்க நம்ம பாய்ஸ் நடந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் ஈஸியாலாம் இருக்காது. நாளைக்கு போய் சாரி சொல்லலாம் அப்படியெல்லாம் இருக்காது. ஒன் கஸ்டமர் இஷ்யூ people are running on their toes. Oh my god, பிரச்சனை ஆயிடுச்சு என்ன பண்றது அப்படின்ட்டு. So yes, they dealt it with a very calm and calm mode. Thank you very much. So a couple of first good points. Your flow was really nice. The way Michael opened up, it was good. We know that a shipment has been delayed, right? So that was the opening. He said, hey, we have a small situation here. A shipment is delayed, which was coming on 25th. So you gave a little background to your team member. Always good thing to do. Okay. Yes. Keep your team member aware about what is it. Okay. Then I'm really happy that you guys also brought up why the shipment was delayed. You guys gave it a thought, although it was something that you cooked up immediately, but good show. Bad weather is a critical thing which causes a lot of supply chain issues and interruptions. Okay. So again, great. And then you spoke about solutions. How do we go and tackle this? Hadi said very clearly, first thing is we must apologize. We have to say a sorry. This is not something we agree to offer a service and this has happened. So great, Hadi, on that. I really liked both your inputs. It was very nicely done. The flow was good. Then when I said continue, you guys decided or discussed about when do we go and meet him? Let's get an appointment. And Michael said, I hope you are also free to Hadi. It's always good to check because I may have some work. My colleague may be busy in something else. He should also be free. So good thing. Continue the business relationship. Hadi said, we have a good name. Our company has a good name. So we must, keep that good name and convince the customer and make him happy. So great show and all those things. Couple of no-nos. Never offer discount. Discounts not accepted. Okay, all this you will learn when you get into the workforce. Okay, nobody offers discount. All we do is go say sorry. 100 sorries, 1,000
no
sorries.
Compensation.
No compensation, no discount, no percentage and nothing. I will go 100 times and say, sir, I'm sorry, sir, I'm sorry. Okay. So otherwise, great show, guys. Thank you so much, Hadi and Michael, for this lovely show. Next is, who's going next? Hindi Teriyada Fires and Tamil Teriyada Sachin, team number 2. Okay, let's see what are they going to discuss for us. So guys, your show is very simple. Hadi vandutaru. 1 second. Okay, there's Fires and I'm adding Sachin. Guys, your situation is you are going to have a review with your branch manager. Okay, your branch manager is going to conduct a review for your team. So you have to, both of you, that is yourself, as in Fires and Sachin are the team members who are going to discuss how are we going to present it to our branch manager. Is it okay? Assume that John is going to have a review for you too. நீங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் ஒரே பேட்ச்னு வெச்சுக்கோங்க. Suppose you guys decide இல்லையா எப்படி பண்ணனும்னு. Ready? Audience, are we ready?
Yes, yes.
Amazing. Super. On the count of 3, 2, 1, start.
Hello, Sachin. How are you?
Fine, good. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also good. Thank you. And tomorrow's the deadline for the review, right? Have you prepared for the review?
Yes. I'm working on the presentation, what to present before the manager.
Yeah, even I'm also working for that. And one of the big problem I faced, because in my warehouse, one of the worst forklifter broke my container. So I don't know how to um tell to the manager.
Did any mishappenings? Means like in the forklift operator get injured?
No. He is fine, but for container is broke.
Okay, that's good to hear. I think we should go and apologize first of all to our branch manager. Then we should, if there is any need of any medical thing, we should provide it to the forklift operator as well as other persons there, those were present there.
Yes, and Sachin, what about the statistics comparing with last month?
Yes. Last month we had a review of 200 crores. This month, I think we will be having a review of 250 crores. That is an improvement of 50 crores. So
yes. Yeah, and that is also one of the good improvement. And also, we achieved our target and we gave 50 cargos more. Yes. That's also one main thing. Even I can compensate with this to the manager for broke the containers.
Maybe it may be possible. I was thinking like we should be discussing about the bottleneck or the biggest problem that we are having in our team, so that we can smoothen our process.
Yeah. And
we can also discuss about our means the review of the competitor, like how is the competitor performing.
Yes, of course. Our competitor MSC is nearly going to touch our target, so we have to be aware on that.
Yes, we have to be on our toes.
Yes, and even I'm also approaching the customer who create a new garment company. I just approaching to give the cargoes to us,
30
but
seconds.
he just denied our approaching. What about you? Have you approached any customers?
No. I'm sorry. I haven't. I was busy doing something else. So I'm quite sorry. Yes, I will do. After the presentation is completed or over, I will definitely visit a customer or get a customer review. Hey, Fayaz.
Yeah, okay.
Fayaz, I was also thinking like what to ask to the manager, like our own performance review. Like how
Time up.
Ma'am, few more points.
Okay, quickly. Grace marks. Come on, grace time.
Yes, even I'm also planning to get feedback from manager that how we perform in this month comparing with last month. So yeah, we should have to get some feedback from manager. There's one boost for us to work good in next month.
Yes, and we should also convince our manager to give us a 2-day holiday for this work.
Yeah, maybe he can give. Who knows?
Okay, nice talking to you, Fayaz.
Yeah, thank you, Sachin.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Nice. I was only thinking to appreciate you guys can immediately go join companies. Now that you've given the last points of asking incentive and holiday, I have to rethink. What do you people want, man? For every small work you do, there should be some bonus, some leave. Performance very good, Fayaz. There will be one appreciation email. Fayaz and Sachin, you guys did a great job. Adoda happy icon. Okay, va? We will ask 2 days.
Ma'am, at least food voucher.
Food voucher. Then, then
5,000 coupons for meet and eat.
Yeah. Then slowly you will ask, I want airline ticket. Talk to shipping line for cruise. You will come with all that request. Very smart. Good show, guys. Absolutely delighted. I mean, mind-blowing performance. I really love the fact that you guys kept it so casual. That's how it is, you know. You talk to your colleague, you're like, hey, man, we got this review tomorrow. Where are you? What is it that you're preparing? And I tell you what, I am really, what should I say, impressed with the kind of points you guys brought up. Statistics. What about the statistics, man? And I really liked it how both of you shared this thing. He asked, Fayaz asked, hey Sachin, what about the presentation? You said, I'm preparing. And then you asked, what about you, man? Are you doing something? And he's like, yes, I'm also preparing. But then in the middle, there is this issue in the warehouse. And then how Sachin says, oh, really, we must bring this to the notice of the branch manager as well. Good point. You guys discussed ops and financials. You guys kept in mind, okay, we have to compare and show last month what was our performance, this month what is our performance. Absolutely mind-blowing. And really appreciate that you also brought in this point of problems faced in the team. Whenever you get an audience with the management, people actually do it. We all do it. Make one full slide. Sir, prachana, problem. Otherwise, you don't get any chance to talk to the management, right, senior guys? So good. Overall, great show. Good language skills, both of you. I, however, have one small thing for Fayaz. Container is what, pa, broker?
Yeah, I mean, container and the lock broke ஆயிடுச்சு.
சரி, கண்டெய்னருக்கு அடி பட்டுருச்சு. அதுக்கு என்ன சொல்றது?
கண்டெய்னர் ஃபால்ட்டா மேம்?
கண்டெய்னர் ஃபால்ட். அப்புறம்
damage.
That is the right term. You don't say broke. Container broke illa, container damage. Cargo damage. நம்ம இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில யூஸ் பண்ற ஒரே வேர்ட் damage.
Okay.
Container damage, cargo damage. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
No broke, no container கிழிஞ்சிருச்செல்லாம் வராது. Tearing and all will not come.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, Fayaz and Sachin. Hey, great show, guys. Absolutely great show.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.